I just found a YouTube channel that's pulling in $50,000 a month. Yeah, you heard that right. 6 figures a month. And guess what? I decided to copy it. But before we dive into the how, let's take a moment to understand what we're really aiming for here. I personally run multiple YouTube channels, all faceless, and they bring in thousands of dollars every single month. And here's the thing, faceless YouTube videos are the 2025 version of dropshipping, but better. They're scalable, profitable. And here's the kicker, you don't even have to show your face. But don't let that fool you. It's not some get-rich-quick scheme. To succeed, you need a strategy. And that's where I come in. This isn't just another cookie-cutter how to start a channel tutorial. My goal? To help you build a profitable YouTube channel with tools and strategies that make going viral feel almost inevitable. So stick with me till the end. Why? Because if you don't, you'll miss the exact steps that can turn this into a life-changing opportunity. Grab a coffee, settle in, and let's get started. Step 1. Find your niche and create a channel that stands out. The first thing you need is a niche that clicks, and branding that grabs attention. Here's how you do it in minutes. Open ChatGPT and ask it for niche ideas based on popular trends. Think scary stories, finance, or gaming. Once you've picked your niche, ask it to generate channel names and descriptions. Open YouTube, create your channel, and upload your branding. Pro tip, a strong, recognizable brand is what sets you apart. Step 2. Create a killer logo with Leonardo AI. Open Leonardo AI and set the dimensions to square. Use the Leonardo Phoenix preset for sharp, professional designs. Generate a logo prompt using ChatGPT based on your niche, then paste it into Leonardo AI. In seconds, you'll have a professional logo that makes your channel look like $1 million. Upload it to YouTube. And just like that, your channel is good to go. Step 3. Write a script that keeps viewers hooked. The script is where the magic happens. Here's a hack. Find a viral video in your niche and reverse engineer it. Use a tool like Tactic to extract the script from a top-performing video. Paste it into ChatGPT and ask it to rewrite the script in your voice, more engaging and unique. This way, you're not copying, you're creating content that's better than the original. Step 4. Create a voiceover that sounds professional. Faceless doesn't mean lifeless. The voiceover brings your story to life. Use 11 Labs to generate studio-quality voiceovers. Choose Callum for a storytelling vibe that hooks your audience. Paste your script, hit generate, and boom, you've got a killer voiceover.
The wind shrieked through the bare trees, rattling the windows of our worn-out vacation house.
Step 5. Generate stunning visuals for your video. The visuals need to match the quality of your content. Ask ChatGPT for detailed prompts to create cinematic images that align with your script. Use Leonardo AI with the Cinematic Keynote preset to generate jaw-dropping visuals. Now you've got everything you need to piece together your masterpiece. Step 6. Edit like a pro with CapCut. Time to bring it all together. Import your voiceover and visuals into CapCut. Add effects like pendulum motion to make still images feel dynamic. Use transitions and film effects to keep the visuals engaging. And don't forget captions. Captions not only boost retention, they keep viewers glued to the screen. Step 7. Optimize and upload. This is the difference between a video that gets ignored and one that goes viral. Use ChatGPT to generate an SEO-optimized title, description, and tags. Create an eye-catching thumbnail using Leonardo AI. Bold text, high contrast, and a clear focus are key. Upload everything to YouTube. And hit publish. Step 8. Monetize like a pro. Here's how you turn views into dollars. AdSense. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can start making money. Expect $2 to $5 per 1,000 views. Affiliate marketing. Drop product links in your description and earn commissions. So, what are you waiting for? Start your channel today, follow these steps, and stay consistent. Let me know in the comments if you want a deeper dive into any of these steps. I'm always here to help. Hit that like button if this helped you out. and I'll see you in the next one.
The wind shrieked through the bare trees, rattling the windows of our worn-out vacation house. Snow smothered the world in eerie silence, but something lingered at the edges of my mind. Watching, Josh and I played in the storm, our laughter ripped away by the howling wind. He dashed off to build his fort on the abandoned lot next door. I waited and waited. Something was wrong. I followed his footprints until they just stopped. My stomach twisted. New tracks led toward the neighbor's house. A woman stepped onto the porch, her voice hollow. "Your brother's not here." But upstairs, past her shoulder, something moved. A pale face, watching. The neighbors weren't home that weekend. Dad called the police. No answers. We never played there again. But at night, from my window, I'd sometimes see footprints in the snow, leading back to our door.